Dato mo kay bahala mo ko dato.
Sa upper ma'am, upper tumingin.
Thumbs up. Airdrop.
Airdrop
Sige, sunset yun ay nabuntag. Thumbs up.
We're here at Natura Bar. Kama sa mga colleagues.
Apa yun na nga bang bubos?
Kaning iPhone.
Wala na babos.
Madam. Hello, madam. Hi. Ate Iris. Hello there. Hello.
It is the
Kuya.
video.
Hello. Yes, this is a video. Oh my goodness. Let's go there. Okay. Oh, sige, go. What? Oh yeah. Hello there, ma'am. This is Madam Glassy. Oh, so sexy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. We're on our way to Natura Bar and Grill.
Tanawa ma'am, pakita ang kuan ma'am.
Oh yeah. Nice view. Cool. Okay. Well,
May nani din ka dito ma'am sa bukid ko kuan. Yes ma'am.
let's go. We're going to chill.
Pagani na ako.
The beautiful lady. Huh? Hello.
Chill lang, chill.
Hi.
Katiyanan.
Yes. Oh my god. So Natura. Natura.
Work.
Huh? Ah, affordable only today. Nice. Oh guys, look at the view. Oh my goodness. Who's Kadang?
My friend na bayoyo.
Ah, okay.
Nati dagang
Kanay. Ng mga Hey guys, we're
nanangayag
trying to take a picture.
Tara.
Ano ito?
Ano na hayag? Ipasta ikuan sa kay mo hayag pa man na siya.
So guys, we're here in Natura.
Nice ni. Wapo
I'm with Glassy and Ate Irish and Kuya Aldous. Nasaan si Kuya? Nakita na kaya? Oo, nakita na kaya. Okay, kapapaan. So, yes, hey guys. It's what's the date today? Today's day
is Sunday.
Sunday,
July
11th?
11.
11th, yeah. I don't know what time because I don't even. It's already 6:36 in the evening, and we're about to chill. There's no waiter yet. There's click waiting. So I'm gonna give you a 360 degrees
It's about
overview.
to snow, my friend.
In the Philippines.
Yeah.
Hold on, just a sec here. So you would get the feels of chilling here and Natura. Bye, feeding vlog you guys. Pagbigyan nyo na guys. Yeah. Oh, yun. Where's my sister at? So, Kuya?
Busy you guys, sir.
Teka lang.
Mga stops level.
While waiting sa mong order, we're gonna rate Ate Irish bags.
Ikaw
Bags,
kasi,
bag,
ma'am. Bag, ma'am. Ikaw
Sige.
bag raid.
Oo.
Ma'am, I am not to the no, na I bag to the raid. So, ma'am,
Wait.
ikaw man mo bag raid, ma'am.
Ah, ako di.
Yes.
I didn't know. So see, I really am not a certified vlogger.
PWD discount.
Okay, hold on. Just one sec.
Ikaw mo bag raid.
So,
ano ni ma'am?
Sige, teka, hold on. Sige. Ah, yes. That one is actually way more sturdy. Yes. stable.
Sige.
So guys, please bear with me because the light is not really that good.
Samtong cellphone na to pang atong
It's plain.
ipasugaan.
It's okay. Yako or na to yako
Ay,
or.
dira here. Kanila Sige, ako ang ma'am. suga.
It's ayun na, uy, habi pa lang.
Ang kanina ang bag, ma'am.
Sige, ayun na,
Tingnan
ayun. Oh
natin.
my gosh, ayun na, ulo ka, ayun na.
Ano,
Okay,
okay.
okay, attention seeker ka, ay, attention catcher.
Balik pang, balik.
Yes.
Ano rin may kwan, ma'am? Flavored beer. Kwan lang to, kali o kwan. Super dry nga San Miguel.
Ay, super dry. Nice.
dry na?
Super dry. Yeah.
Kali lang
Super
po.
dry. Bakit sa yapon ka? Bakit na pila?
Printed.
Okay. Yeah, super dry. Oh, yeah. Lamig. Basta bugna, kuya. Oh my God. This is caught in Wala hubog. This is caught in camera.
Spinach, ma'am.
Kasi bakit ninyo nga offer ninyo? Oh my God, this is really... Stallion Red Horse? No, I don't do Red Horse.
Sa ko'y lain.
I don't do Red Horse anymore. Kali? Ah, that's...
Kali na lang.
Vintage.
We're not youngsters no, anymore.
Isa na lang, isa-isa na lang ni.
Sige, sa esa.
Iya, kapaday nang yapon kasi
Kuan,
mo pa.
yeah, oh.
Isa-isa na lang mi Kali. Kali ko. Okay, ano na lang din mo ma'am, if ever gusto pa mo kuan.
Basta kay
Pilsen, oh. Pilsen.
pagkakali.
Imong sister. Oh,
Ah,
pilsin, duha ka
isa ka pilsen, isa ka super dry.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
So,
pwede
duha
rin
ka
kayo.
Oo, sana ka
pilsin,
pilsin.
isa ka
Super
super
dry niya.
dry.
Yeah, isa ka, I
Ngayon,
mean, no,
tulo ka
duha
Kali.
agya pon ka pale pilsen, then isa ka super dry.
Isa mo super dry
Make
ka
sure
pa.
ko na bugya kanang ice ya, please. I make sure bugna. Oh my God, this is really caught in camera.
Naubog na ma'am, jagwa pa na to ko.
Wala pa. I know my
Kali.
Pagkakali sa super dry. Isa ka super dry, duha ka pilsin.
Ma'am, madam, iyako or?
Yes, ko or.
How are you doing?
Ano, sir?
Ikaw, kuya?
Awesome!
Sige, okay, guys. So here we go. We're gonna rate. We're gonna rate. So, Hey guys, we're gonna rate Ate Iris bag. Kate, mga ses, pamain mga ses. Oh, like you are.
It's only 7K.
This one is only for 7K. But para sa inyo ha, 8K, go na, Gora. Okay guys, here's paid. So siya.
Paano ako mag-installment o bayan?
Okay, we're gonna rate her bag. So, by the way, this one is actually very different because we're gonna be rating. We're gonna call it like the aging millennials. But you know what? Well, aging millennials. What's inside a bag of aging millennials? Okay, aging. Because of course we don't wanna divulge any information.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, guys. Hold on, just
Ayaw
one sec.
i-divulge atong edad
Okay,
niya.
so yeah, don't worry, we're not. Of course, the phone. Like you are. This one is really a must nowadays. On quarantine pass, which I myself don't have one because I already the mask, of course. Now, where else? What else? One sec.
PWD, ma'am. Booklet na, ma'am. That's a diary, ma'am. That's not a PWD booklet. That's a
Yes.
diary.
So pila naman booklet sa kuan sa PWD.
Her diary.
Yes. Ay wala pa, in fairness, gamay na kaayo pa. So
Ano, ma'am. Nagamit na.
anam-anam na.
Anam-anam na, ma'am.
Pero don't worry, di pa kaayo.
Oh, yeah.
Mga few pages lang na kuan. So yeah, this one is really handy, Judy.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanang
It's a must.
very kuan jud, very economical
siya.
and you
Yes.
know kanang get your benefits in fairness.
Benefits.
You get a lot of discounts out of it.
Correct, ma'am.
We have, of course, mga, oy,
The PWD ID, ma'am.
Supa
It's
kayo
a
ba
credit
yan?
card.
We're not gonna like, kuan ha, the name ha.
100 mileage, 100,000 mileage.
Supa, kayo, okay guys. Teka,
Panay buhok, ma'am.
Ay, yeah, by the way, her hair is so super cool, guys. And this one right here, okay, listen. So, siya. So, we're really rating. Oh my God.
Frontliner na, ma'am.
Supa kayo, frontliner nga.
Of course. Akong ba na kay backliner?
We will rise as one.
Yeah.
Heal PH. Oh my God. Can we also heal the world?
Of course, ma'am. It's healing.
Yes. Like, wait, ang mga, ang mga, bills. You like, gosh, guys.
Nakita ng Rukasada.
Mudaga Rayna, ma'am.
Ay, daghan ang mga CC dira, di dyan dapat kalimta. Ay, mga I thought CC reward cards. Klaro kayo nga kuan kayo ay
YCC, ma'am.
Sabi says YCC
Okay,
ko.
daghan siya
Pero daghan
cash.
cash guys. Oh,
No need.
our. So, save si ate. She's actually
970.
okay. Sige go.
Kakaroon na yun.
100 ba, sir? 100.
Sige go.
100 ang super drive.
What do you mean? Super dry? Yeah, it's okay.
Sige.
Sige go. Cash na? Now
Yes,
na?
order, ma'am.
Lagi.
Appreciate
Sige,
it.
ikuha na lang tayo na to.
Sige, split na lang. Hello, yun.
Di
Sige.
ko lang
Si
i-split na
Oka,
lang.
si Oka.
Then 1990 at itong 1990.
Di, split na rin. Split na lang.
Later natin.
Ikuha na natin sila.
Relax, relax.
Ano?
Oo.
Siya,
What's next? Wait, we're done with Ate Irish.
Oh, I'm
It's
done
okay,
na.
madam. Ay, okay, madam. Ay, okay na kayo. Yes. Yeah. You know what? Come on na lang mag-ego, guys, if there's no lighting, ha?
Okay ra, klaro ra imong beauty.
Klaro ra kayo.
Klaro ra
Nindot
mapag-
ang angle.
Ay, mga good, mga
Ang mga
eyeballs.
pores,
Very-
wag give pores.
Poreless.
Poreless. Poreless.
Poreless.
So,
Barbie.
Ako, oh my God.
Fendi.
Yeah,
You know what? You know what? We're gonna do yours. I do yours first, and then you can do
Okay.
mine, or
Okay.
you gonna
Iris,
take turns.
Iris to the talk,
No,
ma'am.
no, no.
Iris will
Ah,
gonna
Bro, na
Ah.
chicken sisig. Bago lang.
unsay nahurot dira.
Finger.
Unsay nahurot
2 to
diha.
3 raman, ma'am.
Sige, unsa pa man? Unsa pa
Ito pa
man?
lain man ang daghan. Pero okay na tong potato chorba egg.
Wala may mani or kailan chichirya or something?
Nasa yung chichirya.
Unsa ang chichirya? Unsa ang chichirya?
Ang artist. Ang huwan.
Makuha na lang.
Manghuwan na lang.
Sige, manghuwan lang.
Dako,
Hala lang
dako
sa'yo.
nga manghuwan.
Yeah,
Sige.
then hala nga suka og sili ha. Thank you so much. This is really caught on camera. Oh my gosh.
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Yes. Okay, so next, I'm gonna raid Madam Glassy's baggy bag.
Pero katong,
Oh my God.
Unahatong katong pinagbawal na technique, ma'am.
Yeah.
I wonder what that is. Okay guys, Madam Glassy's bag is actually being sponsored by, yes, oh my gosh, like sure, Madam Glassy. Oh.
It's only Trevor Aque.
It's just, ouch. Don't worry. Madam Glassy's bag is so cute, guys. Bigay ko na lang ito sa'yo ng 1K.
Okay.
Pamain mga sis,
Kinain
oh.
ng sistema.
Oh my God. It's so sturdy. Oh my gosh. See? And may pa-handbag and a sling strap, as you can see. And it's very sturdy in fairness. Ganda ng bag. Ang cute ng bag. Yes, it's so puno. I wonder what's inside. So,
Isa
we
ka po
have...
na, ma'am.
Te,
Yeah.
okay na ba yung bag? Okay na mo. Wala ako gimess
Okay na,
up.
ma'am.
Yes,
We have a
Iris. Iris
Fine.
gave that to
Purse.
me.
Ay, ang dami.
Mga 10 milyones na dira, ma'am.
Ay, Ginoo ko, Lord Jesus Christ. Dili nito divulge. Basta, guys, secure na niya siya. Uy, Lord Jesus Christ. Uy, ang dami.
Super.
Oh, may pa-heart. Si Madam talaga, may pa-heart.
Alcohol. It's
Alcohol, eh, bay.
Hubog na tindi ba?
Kato siya nahubog.
I'm from the seat, the soul.
Ako pinakita na bakit. I saw someone na natakil po.
Chippy na lang, sir.
Kanang wala na lang dira. Ano na wala dira?
He's always like,
Sige na, amigo. Sige na, okay
Manina lang, sir.
Chippy.
chippy na lang, my goodness. Suka gyapon na. Kasi sa balik-balik, pastilan doon.
Sige,
Na kuya.
let's
Okay,
continue.
continue. Kanang, daghan lagi ba feeling na ko daghan ko makita diri.
Isa dyan nakabalayan, ma'am.
Uy, masa ni siya? Me and Madam are actually, we have the same brand, super super safe. What's this? What's the name? Inspector? What is this?
Vector Mills.
I need my eyes.
125 ra ko nabasahan.
What is this? Oh my God, I can't see.
Bisag ko kabasa.
Mao na gina siya atong
I need my eyes. I'm so sorry, guys. I need my eyes. I can't see. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, I can't see.
Kita ra, ma'am. Flashlight daw, ma'am.
Lagi flashlight. I need flashlight.
Tabang.
Sorry naman. Yeah.
Call a friend.
Call a friend. Oh my God, this is Inspirer. Mine is Ruler.
And yours?
I'm good.
And mine?
Mine is Ruler, and yours is Inspirer.
Okay.
125, guys. Madam, yeah. So, kuan. She's actually fair skin. So, this color really suits her best. I'm using Ruler. I mean, yeah, Ruler. I don't know what's the number, but mine is Ruler. Yes, and what else? What else do we have here? Kinahalan dito yung lights para makita. Ay, ang daming wallets ni Madam.
Mga 1,000 nakabuko dira.
Bayot, ang heavy ni
Ay,
Tits.
kung ano siya, ma'am. Nagdala na siya.
Okay, ang daming coins and bills. Yeah.
Quartz mem oh.
Pala, ay. Pala, makuan nito rin.
Coin purse na siya, ma'am.
You don't mind
Ako,
me,
coin
feature
first,
niyo siya sa kuan?
Fine.
Okay, Madam.
Sabang na taghapang ko.
Madam, legit, Madam. As in, super. Ang mga ID na to diha.
It's
Wala, isupag yapon kaayo. Oh my God. I don't know guys if you can see it. Oh my gosh. We're just doing this for fun, guys. And of course, extra, spare nga kuan yung mask. You know, you'll never know. It's always been pink. Daghan kig mga kuan si Madam, mga paper bills. Paper kuan, paper bills niya.
Paper roses.
Paper kuan, truva. And another one, as a young mom.
Labog na miya, masig ka po.
Hindi, ma'am. May kato siya, MWF.
Yes.
Yes. TTHF.
Yeah, dili na to i-divulge ko sa yan.
Everyday makagawa.
Oh, yeah po. Yeah po. That's nice. That's a very nice idea. Hala ka.
Sorry, ma'am.
Dual citizen.
May vitamin C.
Ay, sorry doon. My favorite. My favorite. My go-to. My go-to.
Yeah.
Vitamin always in my go-to. Every time I...
Vitamin C.
As in yours too?
Sa labad ng ulo.
Yeah, me too. Every time I have a migraine, my go-to. I actually recommended this to all the VAs actually out there. And then we follow na din sa everyone. My go-to, Saridon. We're calling you out because we want you to sponsor us VAs. We need a lot of this. Okay. This one actually contains caffeine. Yeah. It was actually recommended by my aunt who already passed. Mommy, I also love you so much. Thank you so much. Hi. Of course. You want to see your beauty when you get old. So yeah, the mirror on the wall. Diba? It's the fairest of them all. Show me the beast. The beast or the one who's actually viewing right now is the beast. Okay guys, nindot siya. Oh. Pang shala kaayo. Shala kay guys, no chismis. Oh, mga studs kaayo. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh. Shala kaayo. Yes.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Yes. What else? What else? What do we have here? Uy! Me and Ma, akuan, we're just the same. In kaso, you know, kanang baka kay kagkanal after sa inom.
Kuan po, ma'am, kanang naay kay ka-kiss.
What is kiss anyways? It's been a while for me, you know. Chismis kay bay.
Sino po kay Mamiss Dram?
Ay, BLK, oy. Ann Curtis. Ann Curtis, she's a fan of yours. Ayan, my gosh. Ma'am, you don't mind me na kuan, di ba?
Imo tong one member sa left.
Oo.
May mga chip nga nails pa si Madam. SIM card na mga kuan. Pinduta ni oy. O isa din mga kuan mga ay
Worth 25,000.
both sa mga kuan. Oh yeah, they patiently waited for me for how many hours?
30 minutes.
Okay, less than 30 minutes. All right. So what else do we have here? Gosh, look, madaki mata. Daghan kay kuan si Madam. What is this? Shake me up real good. Ooh! Oh my God!
Katong sa katusi kuan gani ma'am. Colorette.
Oh,
Colorette?
Yeah, you have to
I like the name.
Yeah, you have sikat na siya sa
Colorette.
TikTok.
Yeah, Colorette.
Sikat na siya sa TikTok.
This one is so scandalous. Shake me up real good.
For Filipina skin, magod ang
Oh,
Colorette.
really now?
Then
I like the name.
oil-based.
It seems like I'm just a day old. Ani nga po ani.
Oil-based yan.
Colorette as well.
I have
Sir,
a lot.
excuse me. Listen na.
Yes, you have Celeste. You have Zola.
Yeah, look at that. I have
Yes,
a lot.
you have a lot of three-piece. Oh my gosh. What else? Guys,
Tara, di ka buhok, ma'am.
No, you say nice. Good job.
The best
For the
of
safety of the
best.
people.
Yes, exactly.
Save the world.
Guys, i-mine nyo na to. What are the sizes, di ba? Di ko.
No,
Walay size day. So, parang kuan.
Size na siya.
free size.
Hey, sorry.
This is actually a condom, guys. Too. My gosh. Mom is always prepared. Madam Glassy is always prepared, guys.
Forget to bring your condom.
For protection. This is the aging millennials. Kuan, guys, ha? Bag. Oh my god. If others are really like, you know, into the kuan, well, this is the authentic vlog of the aging millennials nowadays. So see, Madam Glassy, she still got like 2 condoms.
Mga
My
10 hours
gosh.
na.
Very responsible.
Correct.
Oh my god.
Tapos siya kay very light and very skinny. Skinny
How I wish you can see her like talking about it.
very light and very skinny.
See,
Dili skinny.
very supportive. Oh, she's actually served as my kuan ring light truva.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Madam. Very supportive ako mga Jumegs. I didn't, this is actually our first time meeting them today. Like, because of pandemic. Oh my gosh, guys. I couldn't tell you na the rest is just kuan na, kanang, mga kuan na jud, kanang,
That one is
Loaded
S has kanang something.
what is this? Ah, wala ka, uso ni siya, Madam.
What is that, ma'am?
For S-Pass. What is S-Pass?
Kinano na nato. Sabi
Saka
na
na
travel ta. We need that.
Safe,
Lagi
swift,
atog
and
tamis,
smart
namin na,
passage.
Pila ba?
How-
130.
Where?
Sa akong Kayla.
How to get this? You know what? You might as well just walk us through how did you get it.
Yes,
Sa akong
ma'am.
friend. Pwede ra. Mag-send na ka imong date of birth and then your first and last name and then contact number. Sila na mo cross bayad lang kag 130.
Wow.
From the
So
government.
guys, Madam Glassy,
Government na siya.
she knows someone, guys. So we need this.
Yeah.
It's called S-Pass, Safe and Swift and Smart Passage. Uy, wow, i-revert niya pa sa kuha. Thank you so much. This is one. Ay, may pa barcode na. Oh my god. This is so nice, Madam. Thank you, Madam. Thank you so much.
Tingnan ko if gusto
Yeah,
ka.
we want.
Sige. Send lang picture sa ako.
The rest are
Contact
actually,
number.
guys, di na ako hilabdan kay Madam Glassy's bag. It's really loaded, so I'm not gonna
super
divulge
loaded.
any information na. And she's got a mint. She's always
Yeah.
prepared. She's got like the this one right here, and also this one. Max, if you're out there, this please. We're not being sponsored. So.
Nagkakandak dira, ma'am.
Wala,
Wala man ako, ma'am.
wala safari,
Wala
wala
man ako sa kung
wala
anak
Nova.
kana ganing mommy, I want sige na present.
Wow, ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. So,
No
ate, I'm gonna give the kuan
ikaw na,
niya.
ma'am.
Ikaw na,
Dili
te,
ko
it's your
mag-backgrade,
turn.
ma'am. Di ko kabalong.
See, it's
ma'am.
okay, you can talk anything under the sun. Anyways, there, kanang kuan, this is just for good vibes only naman na video. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, madam.
Yeah.
So, sige na, te.
Okay. Ikaw backgrade pa.
kuan sa imong kanang sa
Sige. Ring light.
Ma'am, guniti sa imong 70 diri na ko'y butang ha.
May problema. Yeah, ikay kuan ni ate ya. Kanang
This one is green cross guys. Kunya sa kong map na ko. Doon kayo ball pen.
Yes, I love the rayahan ko ay.
Ang brand ani kay
Karma sa iyang card.
steaks made in Denmark and this one made in Japan. And this one, ma'am, this is your. So guys, if you wanna buy perfume, buy kay Miss Bena. This one is Giorgio Armani. Armani the third. This one is Marc Jacobson. Decadent. Let me smell. Wow. Kamusta, ma'am?
Magkaburos.
This one, ma'am, this is 50,000. So this is Calvin Klein's one, ma'am. This one is Gucci. This is 75,000. So let me just return all the stuff back here. It's okay. Isa maminayilayan sa nako, ma'am. So, balik kong sulod sa kita kasi yung bag pa. So,
It's okay daw. Ma'am, it's okay daw. Isulod ang iyong wallet sa iyong bag. Ibalhin
and
ang kuan.
Kate Spade pa, cousin ni Kuan, Katrina Kuan, Espada. Coins
Cousin
is
sa imong bag.
60,000. All the coins here, I've just counted it. And then the last, but not the least, mirror.
Yes.
Ay, close balik ang mirror. Dapat yun ay last. Well, this is made of pure leather. Like, wow, like have a look. What is inside? Oh, coin is one, 19th century, man.
Ma'am, all of leather.
Yeah, look leather. So, I think,
And that's very expensive.
I think one ni siya.
Come to the end of the line.
End of the line.
Yes.
Adara. Same with Gladys, right? This is 6,000 man diamond. Super expensive. So let's just return everything.
It's okay.
Okay na, ma'am?
Oh my gosh.
Utang din. Ayaw na. Okay na ito rin ibalik, ma'am. Thank you, guys.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh my God. Yeah, see, here go guys, the bags of the
Ang bagay,
mga aging millennials. Well, we're really waiting for our orders, and now our orders are already here, so we're gonna chill. We're gonna chill. Oh my God, what is wood? Okay, guys, we're gonna chill now. Kato siya, we just did that because while killing the time, I really saw it coming while waiting for the order. So you know, I really saw it coming. Na nga. It's gonna take a while. So yeah, kill the time, and it was worth killing the time.
Yeah.
This is my sister. Hello. Sister, bro. Ayan, makita. Nindot ka siya view diri ganun. Nag-eat na ka? Oh my God, dili daw siya. Kasi yung mga gusto.
Ilan ka may kadang?
Ah, yes!
Dali lang.
Bye, bye, bye. Guys, I'll talk to you later. Kali.
Para kay kadang pang.
Kay kadang wajig ka na.
Hi. Naka-teach man ka sa una ng Magsaya, I think.
Nakatiis ito. Dancer man
yeah.
siya. Ano
Kung ano siya
now?
familiar kay niya imong
Name. I think, yeah, second. This is Kadang.
Layo ba ninyo?
Can we see your kaanyang?
may man siya mag
Hi.
Oh, yes. Hindi kay klaro, no? Pero, yeah, your beauty.
Bago
Yes,
siya
there
mo
you
make
go.
up, ma'am. Nagbago siya gowns.
Basta nitnig makeup yan ako. Basta na ako event.
Kadang. Oh,
Kadang.
guys,
Tejada.
we're already advertising you now. Shut up. So, guys, we're gonna have to cut this one short. We're gonna chill and see you later.
Alligator.
Yes, madam. Let's shoot pa ka.
Kauban mi ta. Among work from home.
Guys, this is our second time here, and not second time, but this is actually the second venue. We're actually doing a we're actually drinking third venue. Oh yeah, right. The first one we're actually they have actually had their early dinner at and second venue is actually at Natura, and this one is actually the third venue. We're here at Cafe Ambiente. So as you can see, we're now drinking coffee. Of course, I still have a shift later. Good luck to me. Say hi, madam. Hello. I'm Glassy. That's Kuya Aldous right there. That's Irish, and there's Keda. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey, want some? Oh my God, my fave. It's chicken Alfredo. Oh my God, I'm such a die-hard fan of chicken Alfredo here. And as for my coffee, I'm now back to drinking coffee. So yeah, I have black coffee. So yes, I'm gonna have to show you. Oh my God, there's a lot of cheese, man. I love cheese. So, guys, let me enjoy. If you want to see me eating or slurping the chicken Alfredo, more than welcome to come eat with us. So, do you want me to show you how I eat my chicken Alfredo? Okay. Picture first.
See? There's some pictures.
Now let me dig in and enjoy my chicken alfredo. And see this? Oh my god.
Madam.
It's so creamy and oh my god. See that? Oh my goodness. So creamy, so cheesy. Oh, it's still hot, right? Oh my goodness. See that? Oh. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm such a foodie. Yeah, sure. Sure. So guys, let me show you. I'm gonna have to shake things up first. Mix them all around. I want to make sure they're all mixed well. Still hot, to be honest. Still hot. So good. Mom, you want some? Oh my god.
Madam, you want some? Dalang konti with gusto bang kawan daw.
Guys. Yeah. I love food. You know that? So, just like how I eat my halo halo, now you're eating pasta with me. So, guys, check and chicken alfredo. It's so good, so creamy and so cheesy. Story give it. Ganito one na po. Nansaw ko ba? Sorry naman. By the way, I'm already thinking of getting a new tat. And yeah, I think I already know what it's going to be and where I'm going to place it. So nice. I mean, just thinking about it, it's like I feel so giddy about it. I think I'm getting a new tat. It's going to be a simple one, as usual. Mom, ikaw ma'am. Ano nang yatay? My sister. Hello, sister. Chicken Alfredo. Kaya ka diaper? Nawala ko nag-brain, nag-eat. My goodness. Here goes Ate Iris and Kiddo. And Kuya Aldous. Madam Iris. Madam Glassy. How does it taste? The milk. Is it fresh milk? Lactose intolerant. Mine is black. I'm so back into drinking coffee again. Sakit ang tiyan ni Mama, Madam. Drink of water. Okay, Madam Blake. Okay, okay. Yeah. Lagi, oy. Yun lang, the curfew will be gone in no time na dahil. Because everyone's getting the vaccine shot already, so. Mas-surprise na lang ito nga, uy, hinahinay na, wala na, kuwan na, makalakaw na to, we're going out na dahil, we're gonna be out and about, going out of the country again, I haven't been out of the country yet, hopefully. Muna ice cream. Actually, here it's so good. Yes. I would say I'm actually still in my 20s. 31. Ito pagka, sulod ka sa bulsa sa kumanghod. Ha? Ay! Bastos! Sinabi niya, my goodness. Hindi pa, oy. Ikaw ba daw? Ma'am, ito, hindi mainan si mong nawang ma'am. This lang. Yan, pila-pila. Basta pagkasyag naman. Ha? Ay, sus, wala pa na, oy. Napakasabing ko nga, kuan, namod na miro. Don't worry. Oh my God, it's just a number, man. Importante yan na isip mong mind, mong heart. You're still young, you know? It's just a number. Yeah.
Yung pinaka-most important
Mhm. Ganda. Bangi, baby. Excuse me. You want to, ha? Isa. Ha? Ito lang? Saka tinidor, please. Thank you. Ini may water down. Duha? Padam. You're welcome. Ay, oh my goodness. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot you're there. So this is all the vlog that I have right now for today. It's been a while since I went out with friends, office mates. So you're also wearing black. 13. I keep that was angel number. Do we even look alike? Oh my god. I really look young. No. Wala man ni elf, I mean, wala man ni kuan ay filter itong kuan diri eh. Thank you. It's into sugar. Madam, asa ka uli galing? Suarez. As in sa Suarez ka mag-ulian? Kamutanan? Suarez today mo? As in?
Suarez ka?
Oh, simbakor! Dili daw.
One of them.
Dili ko eh. Dili ako sa Palao. Actually, I want my address to be in a different place. Sayang kayo. Water, ihatag na lang na. Ate, you still want some milk? Milk, sugar. Now guys, we're going ahead na because you know it's almost curfew time. Madam, pwede maguna namin? Yes. Puhon na ta. We'll make baway puhon ha. Yeah, I still have work. What time is it now?
Tanawa gani nga ako. Nagpa-minor siya. Too large.
Look how cute.
Tanawa na ako nag-share.
Season kay nga bata magpapuan, magkanang klaro kay mga expose na kayo siya. Either minor ang mama or kanang kuan, kanang seller, no?
Ano akong baon po? Ano yung ato ko? O kabayan, baon ang imo niya akong itong gipaluwagan ako mag
Bapal siya siya, ha? Wala ko bapa sa Bangal, ma'am.
12?
Okay?
Wala man siya man.
Ma'am, nako para sa mga picture ha, kato ako ang earrings ba nga, kanang nipis ka, ayo ma'am, nabugto siya ma'am ba, mangita ko yung ako ma'am, picture na ko, basig, kakita ka to ha. Okay. Yeah, my gold earrings guys. Hi guys, we need to cut this one short now because we're about to go home. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, this is positivity because I'm full of positivity in my life.
Because
And this one right here is Muse. This one is like, save travel, work, repeat. This one is thriving because I am thriving. I am a success. I am success and thriving. Barcode ba? Thriving. Barcode pa tatap. So guys, until then, we'll just see you guys later. Yes. So we're not yet really certified vlogger, so we're just chilling out here. And we're about to go home now. So, au revoir. What else? Goodbye, talamash, salamat, dankeschön. What else? Gracias. Ano ba? Arigato. What's up? Okay, huh? Huh? Kansamida? What else? Choose. We're going home now. How do I say it in Dutch? I forgot. Oh my god. Bye guys. I'll talk to you later. Bish pata. Choose. Sexy. Adto na mi. Kuya. Adto na mi, kuya. Ate. Madam, thank you so much. Ses. Adto na ta, Ses. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, sige, sige. Babels, babels, babels. Babush.